Hey everybody, it's Michael from CloudApp. Hope things are going well. So, main topic for today is video. And over here at CloudApp, we're big believers in video and the power in making connections and communication a lot more human and authentic. And so we've put together a video trends report that has sourced a lot of different information and statistics from various sources on what the state of video within what is the state of video within 2019. There's a couple of really interesting things. So Cisco predicts that by 2021, 81% of all internet traffic will be made up through video. And probably as you look at your own behavior, it's probably not surprising. HubSpot found that 68% of people prefer to learn about a new product through video. I'm one of those people, certainly, that when I'm onboarding some kind of new software or product, I feel like I'm able to internalize the information a lot quicker by watching a video or a walkthrough as opposed to reading an instruction document or a how-to like that. So video continues to dominate and get bigger. And we've put this trends report for you together. There's a lot of useful information in there. And we feel like you can pull out several things from that that will apply to whatever your role is when it comes to video. We also put together a guide about design and measuring your success. So even beyond people who are in development or product, those are kind of some of the people we first typically think of when it comes to product design or design in general. But those in marketing, those in support, those in sales, we all design certain experiences and engagements with folks. And it's key to understand with our users what design works and how can we measure that. So we've put together a guide that answers those questions and provides you some tips and ideas on how you can measure the effectiveness of the designs you put together. So check that out. That should be useful for you. And then for a CloudApp tip today, it's about annotations. So this is probably the feature I've been using the most lately. So let's say, for example, that you want to take this website and you need to make some changes and send that over to your design team, right? So I can take this screenshot, it'll automatically pull it up, and you use on a Mac Command-Shift-A, and on a Windows it's Alt-Shift-A. And it automatically pulls up a preview, so super quickly you can begin making edits, highlighting or pointing arrows at certain places saying, hey, I need to change this, or if there's something sensitive, right, you could block some of that out like that. And then when you feel like you've clearly communicated what you need to get across, you save it. And just like usual, it'll save a link for you, and you can shoot that over to the people who actually make the changes. Engineering uses this kind of stuff a lot to highlight certain lines of code that needs to be changed and so forth. So we feel like you'll really find that useful. So get using it. The short key is Command-Shift-A or Alt-Shift-A, and have a good one. Thanks.